Hi everyone, it's Christina here. Welcome back to my kitchen. This is the place where we learn how to bake and cook together every week. This week we are going to show you one of my oldest videos. It was filmed about 2 years ago when I was just starting this journey. So it will be quite fun to see it because my skills have improved over time. Of course, this recipe, it's my favorite chocolate muffin recipe. It's one of my best friends back home, Ramona. She's using it all the time when she's baking for her clients, and the feedback is amazing. So if you do try it, don't forget to tag me in it. I would love to see your creations. Of course, there are pictures on my Instagram account, which is @Christina'sCuisine, and on YouTube the video will be on Rapid. But I will take you through the process step by step. If you do try it, guys, don't forget to tag me, as I said. And if you like what you see here today and you're not one of my subscribers yet, don't forget to subscribe and tap that little bell, because that way you get notifications every time we put a video up. Until next time, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, go back and egg.
Hi guys, it's a chocolate muffin night tonight. So we are going to make a chocolate muffin recipe, and we're going to fill it up with some green icing. For this chocolate muffin recipe, which I found somewhere online, never made chocolate muffins before, first time ever. So we're gonna need 1 egg. I will start in the order. I'm gonna put the ingredients in the bowl, so I will tell you once I put them in what they are. So 1 egg. This is 175 caster sugar. Yeah, so this is what goes in together first. Put the mixer on for a bit. For these ones, there's some spills over. Right. Next, we are going to add. This is 250 grams of milk, so milliliters of milk. I added a tablespoon of vanilla essence inside the milk already. So they goes in. They're saying as usual to put it all together, but I'll do it bit by bit. It's meant to be runny, and yeah, runny and smooth consistency at the end before we put it in the oven. Next thing that we need to add will be 90 milliliters of vegetable oil, which goes in here. And I'm gonna add the flour and the cocoa together. I got 250 self-raising flour, and I added 2 teaspoons of baking powder to the flour. So just gonna add it all in with 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, they say, which is going in as well. I'm gonna mix this up. Perfect. Easy now. Slowly. There we go. There's a bit of run on the side. Not to worry, we are cleaning it. And at the end, they say to add 150 grams of chocolate chips, which, as you can see, I didn't add. So this is basically chocolate, cut chocolate, cooking chocolate, which I just cut it slightly with a knife. Nothing fancy about that. And we mix this in as well. There's our muffin tray here. This is the biggest muffin tray I got. I don't have a 12 holes, I have a 6 holes. So I'm gonna have to bake in batches, probably. So shall we go in, we say? Oh, it's quite runny, yeah, they were right. It is. Runny and lumpy. And that's what they say it's gonna be. I don't make muffins very often. I started normally I won't have another 6 batch. I'll probably have another 2 or 3. That's what normally happens. Oh, why did this happen? Look at that. As I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. I always say that, don't I? Because accidents happen. Okay, especially when you're dealing with this kind of runny consistency. It's a bit tricky. But it's all good because we're gonna clean it before we put it in the oven anyway, so okay, right, so this should be the first batch. They will go in the oven and will be a second batch and so on. So I will come back to you guys when they're out of the oven so you see them fresh, and then we start with the icing. Okay, see you later. I beat the butter for 5 minutes by itself, and now we're supposed to add half of the icing sugar and then mix it up for another 2 minutes, and then add the rest and mix up for another 2-3 minutes. So it should be like my half, but now we're gonna do it slowly because it's gonna that's the first 2 minutes, and now we are adding the rest of the sugar for another 2 minutes. Should be able to put it all in so I don't. It has been sifted and okay. Hi guys, it's the icing on top time. I moved them from my lovely support on an actual wooden rack because it's going to be easier to fill in. The best way to fill out the cone is in a glass. That way it should go down all the way to the end. First time as well. So we're ready. Are we ready? Supposed to squeeze this up here quite tightly. It's a beautiful colour. Look at that green. Oh, that looks like amazing, doesn't it? We start from the middle and we work our way to the exterior until we end up with a fill-up cake. So start in the middle and work your way to the edges. Okay. Not bad, is it? Not too bad at all. No. And it's not very hard to do either, this bit. They look so good. There we go. that's my icing muffins. Enjoy, guys. They look gorgeous. Look at that. Until next